Hello friends, we will reuse empty bottles today to make traditional style dolls. So these are the two empty bottles. We need Fevicryl molded and mix it in equal quantities and roll it into a ball. So we need aluminium foil and we are going to place it over the rim, over the cap of the bottle in this fashion. And now with the help of the molded clay, roll it in the form of a chapati or a roti, and then you have to place it over the aluminium foil and cover the aluminium foil. For the bottom also, roll it into a sheet like a chapati or roti, and then you have to cover the bottom of the bottle in this manner. In order to smoothen the molded clay, you have to roll it with the help of your hand and give a little bit of dent in the neck region so that it looks like a peg. Do like this for both the bottles and then allow it to dry for some time. In fact, Fevicryl molded dries very fast, and after it dries, you have to draw a figure like eyes, nose and other things on the bottle, and then you have to color it with the help of acrylic colors. So once it is done, your cute little dolls are going to be ready.